Alright, I got a call today for a repair on a fifth wheel plate on a semi. We're going to go see what it needs to fix it and go from there. So it's not actually a fifth wheel plate. It's a U-bolt bracket mount that it's on this dump belly trailer. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's cracked right in here and all the way across. So we're going to have to pull the U-bolt out and prep that cracked area and weld it up. Alright, we got it apart and she is broke. Here's the other little piece. So we're going to clean this up, bevel all the edges out really good, and then start welding it back together. Alright, I got it all ground out and prepped for welding. Getting ready to start that next. Alright, we're all done. Got it all back together again. Turned out really good.